How's it going, Phone Lab? It's Root Junkie here, and today's video we're going to be talking about this is a BLU mobile phone right here, and I'm going to be showing you guys a couple different boot modes you can use to help repair these phones. So first thing we're going to do is just power off to the phone. I mean, if your phone's already powered off, it's fine. I mean, you don't need to power it on and power it off. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to boot into fast boot mode, how to boot into stock Android recovery, and also there's like a factory mode for testing things. So the first mode we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and we're going to go right here to volume down and power. So we're going to hold volume down and power and just keep holding them, and this will get you booted into the test mode, which is really cool. Basically allows you to, right here, factory mode, you can do a lot of things. So you can auto test, you can manually test, test item, test report, debug test, version reboot. So to navigate through factory mode, you use your volume up and down, and then you use power to select. So I'm just going to show you what it does when you go to manually test. So we'll just go to that one, and so you want to keys. So we have down, volume up, power. Boom, that's it. Very simple, right? So did it do all those things? Yeah. Test passed. Okay. Boom. Show test image. Pass. We can just kind of go work through each one of these. So it's very interesting, very easy to do, and you can kind of go through pass fail on different things on here. So let's see, it's not letting me through it. Emergency call is not started. So there, it's vibrating. So you can say pass for vibration motor. So I'm just going to squeeze through these really quickly. There's no way to really go back without doing a hard reboot. But if you want to get out of this at any point, you can hold volume down and power, and that's just going to force a full reboot of the device. And we're going to do the next boot mode once it does this. Okay, so volume up and power. And this should put us into stock Android recovery. Just keep holding the buttons until it boots there. So there you go. There is stock Android recovery on this BLU device. And there's a lot of things you can do in here that are very good. I'm just going to kind of go through them and kind of cover them for you. So obviously we can reboot to the system and reboot the device. We can reboot to bootloader, which we'll go back to here in a second. Then we can go in here to apply update from ADB. So this would be if you have a stock OTA update in a zip file. You can connect this device to your computer, type in ADB. Once you've applied that setting, type in ADB sideload, whatever the zip name is, and then it'll load that up. You can also put that OTA update on your SD card and apply it right there. Definitely has to be on the SD card, not the internal storage, so you need an SD card to use that option. Next one is wipe data factory reset. So this is if you have a problem with the phone, there's an issue, or maybe you got a virus or something on there, something screwed up, you can wipe data factory reset. This will delete all user data on the device, so just be aware. You can wipe cache partition. This is recommended. It'll free up some space on the device. It doesn't hurt anything to do that. It won't wipe out anything else. Backup user data and restore user data. So not every Android has this option, but it's kind of neat. You can use it. So if you need to back up their stuff before you wipe the device, you can do that. Root integrity check. This has nothing to do with root access. This just has to do with the integrity of the file system. You can also mount system. You can view your recovery log, or you can power off. So those are your options. We're going to actually go back up here to the top, and we're going to go to reboot to bootloader, because this is how you get into fast boot mode. So we're going to pick that option, and then what you're going to see is along the bottom down here, it just says fast boot mode. So at this point you can plug it into your computer, and you can run fast boot commands like fast boot devices and see your serial number, or fast boot OEM unlock, things like that. You can do that. And again, to get out of these modes, you can just hold the volume down and power, and it'll do a forced reboot. Actually, volume down and power will do a forced reboot on any device. So that's just a good thing. If you ever need to force reboot the device, volume down and power on Android will definitely do the job. But there you go, guys. That is BLU, and that is a bunch of the modes you can access here from the powered off state. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more coverage here on BLU at Phone Lab. And if you have anything you'd like to see me cover specifically, leave a comment in the description down below. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Root Junkie out.